your hair is suddenly getting dried and because of that is breaking off, this is the deep conditioner you should try. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If this is the first time you're stopping by, please do well to subscribe. On this channel, we do everything DIY for hair growth, how you can grow your hair with just simple DIY ingredients. So in today's video, we are doing avocado deep conditioner, and this is a must try. Like, you should try this treatment for your hair by hook or by crook, yes, because it has awesome benefits. The first ingredient is avocado. This is a normal avocado around that you can get from the supermarket, you can get from your local market, and then yes, so just get the one that is ready to be eaten, not the rotten one that you can eat it. Yeah. Our next ingredient is honey. Guys, avocado without honey for the hair is like you are missing out a very important ingredient. So make sure you add honey to the treatment. And our last but not least ingredient is your hair growth oil. Yes, be well to add your hair growth oil and you're going to see the game changer. When you are done, blend everything very smooth. Yes, if you blend it very smooth, you don't need to strain it because you can just rinse it out. But then if your blender is not very strong, you have to strain it so that you don't have residues in your hair. You can add aloe vera gel and egg. That's totally optional. But then in this video, I didn't have those additional ingredients, so I just went on with avocado, egg, and then honey. So after blending everything, I go and put it back in the bowl, and then it is ready to be used. If you're having excessive breakage due to dryness, this is going to really moisturize your hair. Like, it's going to add so much moisture to your hair. I've been seeing a lot of people against putting food in their hair, and I just sit back and laugh because why shouldn't you? I mean, if it's helping you, why should you stop? So before you come online and then talk against putting food in your hair, make sure that, like, just don't make it a general statement that putting food in your hair is bad. Say that you put food in your hair, it didn't work for you, and like, I don't understand why people just loudly rant putting food in your hair. I am someone who has really benefited from putting food in my hair, and that's really helped me. So now my avocado is ready to be used. You can tell the color is so juicy. I added a little water to help with the blending because I didn't add egg and then other ingredient to ease up the blender. So this is a freshly washed hair. I just shampooed my hair, and because it's a deep conditioner, it should be put on a freshly washed hair. Yes. So after pre-poo, then you go in with the avocado treatment. Yes. So this is a deep conditioner treatment. So it means that when you're done, you should follow up with a heat something that's going to help trap the heat so that it can be able to work well in making the hair very like extremely soft. Yes, so this is me applying the avocado hair mask onto my normal hair. My hair is not very thick, but it's better, way better than it used to be. I just apply it, focus on the root, and then bring it down to the ends. Yes, I noticed that I had weak ends because of some stress I went through these past few months, and it's something I'm also working on. And it's also made me trim my hair a lot, and I realized I lost a lot of length, which I'm going to learn from. I became so addicted to trimming my ends. Yeah. So after applying this avocado, I just put my hair in a normal chunky twist. Like, you just put your hair in twist so that you like set it up. Let's admire some length. Like, I'm so excited because I keep trimming my hair and thinking that it's going to take long to grow, but it keeps growing beautifully, and I'm so excited about it. So after putting it in chunky twist, I go on and then do this treatment throughout the hair. So some people ask that how often can you do this avocado treatment? You can do it once in a month or every time you wash your hair. Because there's no egg in it, you cannot really call it a protein treatment. So you don't really need to like try to be selective about how often you do it because it has no egg in it. You can do it every time you wash your hair. Avocado is actually my favorite deep conditioner because it makes my hair feel so good when I put it in my hair. So this is how I apply throughout the hair, making sure that some gets to the scalp and also some gets to the hair strands as well. I just finished doing my onion juice treatment and then later applied this avocado hair mask. So my hair was really feeling good today. Like when I was trying to apply this, it was really, really feeling good. So why avocado? Avocado contains so much ingredients. Like even consuming it as a whole, it contains a lot of nutrition, a lot of nutritional facts that your hair is going to benefit when you apply it on your hair. So imagine adding honey, which also contains so much humectant property, and then your herbal growth oil, hair oil that contains so much herbs. This is like you putting nutrients, correct nutrients into your hair, and nothing goes wrong with that. Yes. So twisting the hair afterwards is very optional. It's just a way of sectioning the hair so that you know the parts that you've done and the parts that you haven't done. This really, really helps you so that you don't mix things around. You don't just get up and then do some things and then forget that you haven't done another part. So I really like doing this in section because it gives me an idea of where I need to do, where I haven't done, and where I also don't need to focus on. Yes. So let me know in the comments if you'll be trying avocado hair mask. Yes. So as I said earlier, this is supposed to be done after you shampoo your hair. So when you finish applying this to your hair, you wear your steamer cap for about 15 to 20 minutes so that it's able to, your hair is able to absorb all the moisture and become very soft. And like, you should try it. When you try it, you understand what I am saying. Your hair will become so soft and so nice. You are not even going to recognize your hair. Or if you don't have a steamer cap, you can just go ahead and wear a rubber on your hair so that it's also a way of trapping heat. But the rubber will have to take longer because the steamer cap produces quicker heat. The rubber, you should wear it for about an hour, 30 minutes, so that it's able to trap good heat into your hair. Yes, so let me know if you'll be trying this yourself. Have you used avocado on your hair before? Is this something that you'll try, or are you against putting food into your hair? Let me know in the comments below. You can ask me all your questions and then I'm going to answer them accordingly. Yeah, so when you're done from here, you just have to rinse it out. If you'll be a bit irritated with the smell, you can use a mild shampoo to just rinse everything out as you please. Do all to massage your scalp when you're done, and then you're going to enjoy so much benefit. Like, this is the best treatment I can ever do to my hair, and I also recommend that you also do to your hair. When you're done, you know what I'm talking about, how soft your hair will feel. My name is Lydia once again. If this is the first time you're stopping by, this channel is about DIY hair growth secrets that you can do to your hair. Feed your hair, yes, for it to grow as long as you want. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Thank you so much for passing by. Bye.